play this video because there's Sarah had talked about the folks in North Dakota who are attempting to block a pipeline. There are protesters getting arrested there, and we have a really cool video of a guy getting arrested who has been who basically chained himself to one of the backhoes on the construction site, and you'll notice there's a cop who's like both trying to handcuff him and give him water simultaneously. So here it is. I mean, people are headed out there, and the man who was handcuffed to the backhoe, Dale American Horse Jr. And here it is. And there you have it. I mean, the guy had basically, it looks like a cast that he put around.
He made like a sort of pipe cast around the handcuffs that he has inside of the pipe around the backhoe, so they can't. So he's tougher to get him out.
I mean, it was nice of that cop to offer him water.
Yeah, there's a good picture of the guy. He actually did drink it at a different part. And from what I've seen, both the police and the protesters have been pretty well behaved up there. So
that is just another, a protest indicative of what Sarah Jaffe was saying on the interview. Hello, you. I'm Sam Seder. Looking for smart progressive talk that is occasionally amusing? Well, subscribe to our YouTube feed. Subscribe to our podcast. Like us on Facebook. And just generally enjoy us.